I'm Bing from Seattle, Washington. I'm here at RSM, and right now I'm about 6 months into the program, about halfway through. So 6 months in, we've covered a lot of classes. They're the core classes that we've been having to take, and they're really just building up the solid business foundation that everybody needs to succeed in business. We've all been taking the same classes. At this point, I feel like I'm armed with the essential tools of business to succeed in the future. So one of the main reasons I picked RSM as a business school of choice, my choice, was its focus on sustainability. And this module, I was finally able to get some real hands-on sustainability business frameworks and practices into the curriculum. I was really excited about that. We got to combine the core business concepts, finance, accounting, marketing of that sort. And in this module, professors from the sustainability coursework really showed us the intersection between business and sustainability and how it can be used to tackle the challenging circumstances in the 21st century. So, Module 3 so far, I've worked with my teammates in completing assignments, projects, presentations, and things of that nature. So we're quite gelled together as a team, knowing our competencies and our weaknesses. Now we're going to move forward, and on Friday we're going to find out who and what company we're going to be assigned to help solve a real-life business problem. And the same team will go and find out what the assignment is and work together over the next 4 weeks to help present and propose a business solution to a real-life business challenge. So I'm really looking forward to that. Having taken these 6 months of core courses that have built my business competencies, now I'm looking into the future and really have the opportunity to kind of hone in on the areas of interest. For me personally, that's going to be sustainability. I have a trip coming up in August where I'll be going to Costa Rica and finding out how sustainable entrepreneurs and businesses are starting out over there. It's a combination of the job search kind of starting to be a factor, and then also honing into specific areas of business and then take elective classes based on those interests. I'm looking forward to finding opportunities and taking more interesting classes that are really in the knowledge that I want to pick up and use after this program.